Good morning, everybody. It is Friday, the 19th of January, 2024, and welcome into all of you. Man, sometimes you read about something and you think, why the hell didn't I think of that? Right? Well, because, Rosie, you have a subpar IQ and you're not given to great innovations in life, right? You're just a fix-it hog and pulling toilets and all that. But I thought this was great, particularly if you live in areas where you have to confront cars that their windshields are frozen, and you go to use your wiper fluid and it's all frozen. And you're getting out there with your credit card and you're scraping your windshield. And I saw something the other day that I thought I would share with you guys, and it's absolutely brilliant. Use alcohol in your windshield wiper more than that. Well, let me tell you, go get yourself a cheap pint bottle of vodka. You know, the $2, $3 weird kind of Russian name. Right? It's made in some back alley in New Jersey, right? It is a fancy Russian name. And at nighttime, just take a little bit and start it just at the top of your windshield. Just pour it down so it kind of coats your windshield. And believe it or not, that'll keep ice from forming. You won't have to use your credit card and worry about scraping ice in the morning. So it's kind of nice. You can also put it in a spray bottle. Besides giving yourself a little bit of a morning bracer, all right, you can just spray your windshield at night with that, and it'll keep frost from forming on your windshield down to like 25 degrees below zero. It's pretty amazing when you think about it. But alcohol doesn't freeze, right? You find alcohol that the bums drop 50 below zero. The bum is a block of ice, but but the liquor's just fine. The bottle of booze or whatever. So you can also put a 50-50 blend into your reservoir for your windshield wiper fluid. And I tell you what, you can even take it up to 3/4. Heck, some people use this. It isn't going to hurt anything. And believe it or not, that just will de-ice, and it'll make it so nice that you won't have to worry. And you guys will thank me later, because finally, all the years you've been watching this channel, you finally learned something useful on here. Okay, well, so did I, but I live in California. Alright guys, thumbs up or appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, hit the bell for all notifications. This is where you learn what not to do on social media and stuff like that. Thumbs up or appreciate it, and enjoy the rest of your day. Go get that cheap bottle of vodka and go to town. Bye-bye frozen credit cards, scraping windows. Put them on all of them, right? Give yourself a little hit too. Give you a little morning bracer. Have a good day, everybody.